Before we start the video, click on the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the videos on this channel. Today I will show you a few tips and tricks to get more YouTube views. I've also got an idea of how to help all of you guys who struggle with subscribers and views, which I will talk about at the end of this video. So, you created your YouTube channel, you've been posting videos for a while, but you're not getting a lot of views. YouTube recently changed their algorithm when it comes to adverts, so you can't earn any money from ads unless your channel hits 10,000 views. This makes things really difficult for many YouTube channels which struggle with views. But you're only missing out on around $10, as this is a rough estimate of how much you can get for 10,000 views. So your YouTube career will not end because of this. Tip number 1, and this is one of the most important things to remember: the thumbnail. If you want views, you need to make people click on your video. You can make someone click in many different ways. I always concentrate on the colors I use in my writing and also the background, so that if my video appears in a suggestion list, the viewer's attention goes straight to my thumbnail. For this video, I'm using a similar layout to my previous video, which worked very well, with over 25,000 views in less than 2 days. The bright white writing stands out well on the red background, and the little image showing the view count going up is also very visible. So you knew what the video was about even before reading the actual title. This is what I aimed for in my previous video as well. It did the job. So make sure the writing you use catches attention, and the colors I recommend are bright green, yellow with black outline, and red. These colors are proven to catch attention, so I strongly recommend you take advantage of this. So the next tip is a bit easier than the first one: the title. Make sure your video has a short, catchy title. You don't want it to be too long because people will not be bothered to read it. Use capital letters when appropriate, and make sure you get your keywords in the title. For example, my last video was about getting YouTube subscribers fast, and that's exactly what you could find in my title. Didn't make it too long, and I've used capital letters to make the keywords stand out. If you take advantage of this, you will definitely see results. It will be easier for the viewer to identify what your video is about. Tags. You can use tools like YouTube Tags Generator to help you get your keywords right. This is important because you want your video to appear when people look for the keywords you talk about in the video. Make sure you use as many tags as possible to take advantage of this. Create playlists. This is a great way to increase your views. If you have a few videos which are similar set of topics, you can create playlists. For example, right now you can find 4 videos on my channel. All of them are how-to videos, but 2 of them are about YouTube, and the other 2 about just general life. So I've created a playlist for both these categories. When people finish watching one of the videos in the playlist, the other one will play automatically. This will give you a few extra views without much effort. You can put as many videos in the playlist as you want, but I would keep them topic based because you want to engage your viewer in more content from your channel. Another tip I have for you is finding 3 to 5 channels which are similar to yours, subscriber wise, and ask those guys to collaborate with you. You can mention each other in the descriptions of your videos and include your channels in the recommended channels section. Collabs are great to get more subscribers and views. Remember, you're not competing with each other for views and subscribers. One viewer can subscribe to as many channels and watch as many videos as they want, so help each other out by collaborating. This is a great tip. So I've mentioned I had an idea for all of you who struggle with subscribers and views. Let me explain. I want to create a video about some collab methods you can use on YouTube, and in that video I will ask every single one of you to give me a little description of your channel in the comment section. I will have a look at as many as I can and subscribe to the best 3 channels I find. I will also give you guys a little shout out in one of my videos. It will also be a great opportunity for you to subscribe to each other. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. That video will come out in around a week, so subscribe to my channel right now to stay up to date. I will see you in the next video.